School management ERP software has emerged as a game changer, empowering school owners, office staff, and teachers, and upgrading the campus like never before. With our integrated software for school management, you can easily manage everything from driving school admission to delivering excellent education to students. We use cloud to host our services. Mobile, laptop, or desktop user can access it from anywhere at any time. And the data is protected and regularly backed up. Now let's log in into the application as an admin user. We have a reset password option here. User can reset password using this link. If user provide username and send OTP, the OTP will be sent to their email, and using that user can easily reset their password. Okay, now let's log into the application. There are different modules includes in school management system, which are basic configuration, academic configuration, cashier configurations, academic activities, student, employee, cashier activities, report, support, etc. There is a side menu also. User can access from side menu or the dashboard. First, let's go to the configurations or the masters included in the system. The masters are classified into three, which are basic configuration, academic configuration, cashier configuration. As per the name indicates, the basic configuration include the basic data which are used in the application, which includes country, state, gender, blood group, etc. The common feature used in almost all masters are default and active. Only active data will be populated in corresponding list of values, and the default indicates the default value need to set in which are the LOVs used. For example, let's go to the street master. Here there is only two states are active, and rest are inactive. So in state LOE, state list of values, there is only two records, which are Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Then the default indicates which value need to set to be set as default. If we put Tamil Nadu as default, then this this state will be this state will be the default value for state. Actually, there is another state as default. It is Karnataka. So only one record can be a default at a time. Okay, this feature is included in almost all masters. Then let's go through the client master. Client master used to save the client information, client name, contact number, email, etc., which is used in school. Next one is school category, that indicate which category the school, which is the category of the school. Next, syllabus stores the syllabuses which are covered in a school. Next one is schoolmaster. In schoolmaster, there is school name, legal name, client name, the category of the student, syllabus used in that student school, etc. The syllabus and category are from the masters that we see earlier. These masters are common general masters. Let's go through the user role. There are four roles, four type of users that can be used in this application, which are admin, cashier, student, staff. Mainly we use admin and student roles. The admin can configure the screen visibility for each roles. That can be discussed later in menu right screen. Next one is users. The user screen is used to create user that are accessible to the application. We can select the role of the user that's stored in the role master. Here also there is a flag like active YN. Only active users can log into the application. The student users are automatically generated during the admission process, which will be explained in admission activity. Next one is campus. This master will save the information about the campus. One school may have one or more campuses. Next one is screen configuration. The configuration screen contains a screen configuration name, screen configuration value, and active. In essence, it controls and defines different features and parameters that guide the overall behavior of the system. This screen provides user with a simple yet effective way to manage and customize their experience within the app. First value is capitalize input. This configuration value is used to capitalize the input inside and screens like issue application, application form, etc. If it is value is if it is state is active, then user can then the data will be. Next one is issue application year. This is used to set the session for which the application forms are issued. Now it is set as 2023. This value takes from session master in academic configurations. Next one is page view. The page view is used to align the application screen. If page view is yes, then the all fields will be displayed on a single page. On the other hand, we will get a step-by-step display. Next one is admit student section yes. If its value is auto, then the section will be allocated by default. Otherwise, the user need to set the section manually. Next one is student data log. If the student data log is Y, Then it will not allow to modify the student details after admit student. If it is no n, then student details can be modified using admission form. Next, values are used for SMS and WhatsApp configurations. Let's look at the next configuration value, which is short URL. Short URL is used for parent login. In issue application screen, uh, the admin issues an application for admission to the parent. An SMS will send to the parent's phone number with the URL of our application. Then the parent can log in using the URL and pin given, and they can fill the application. The short URL is used to shorten our current URL, because as per the try rules, only 30 characters are allowed in a variable while sending an SMS. That's why we use short URL. Next one is SMS enabled. Only SMS enabled if is why, then the SMS all SMSs are sent. Otherwise, it will not send SMS, but generate SMS and its log only. Next one is acceptance enable. If acceptance enable is Y, then the application of an admission can send only after the payment of acceptance fees. The fees will describe in cashier configuration section. Next one is SMS payment. SMS payment is why now. That means if parent need to get any SMS regarding their payments, then the value will be Y. If its value is N, then SMS will not be sent during payments. Next one is wish message website. Like this values are used in some reports like hall ticket, application form, etc. Next one is super user. Super user is a user configuration value, which indicates this user. Now it's admin at i.com. Only the admin at i.com user can cancel the payments, and this user can only edit this value. If any other admin you try to edit this value, it will not allow. Only the super user can edit this value. Next one is cache enabled. This means in payments, if they need to add cash payment, then it should be enabled. Otherwise, cash method will not cannot be choose. Next one is generate PK. Generate PK is why now. This is used to set a prefix in admission number, receipt number, etc. The prefix will take from course level. Okay, these are the configuration values used in this school management application. Next, we can move to the next master. which is student category. Student category is a single line master. Next one is qualification level. Qualification level is the qualification level of the school. Now it is set as KG, kindergarten to plus two schooling, 12th schooling. Syllabus classifications are common masters. Next one is course level. Course level indicates the level of the course, which can be selected in the course master. Now there are four levels: primary education, KG, nursery to UKG, middle, higher. Each level's prefixes are set here. This prefix is used for generating the primary key like admission number, receipt number, etc. Next one is admit status. This page keeps track of application's various status. By default, the application is new, as indicate the type here. The acceptance fees show if the school accepted applicant listed in the application. If the application status is admitted, then the applicant is selected. Next one is SMS template configuration. With this screen, you can easily manage SMS templates. This feature allows you to save time and streamline communication by quickly sending personalized messages. Whether you need to remind students about their upcoming deadlines, update parent about their child's progress, or notify staff about important events, SMS template configuration make it easy to keep everyone in the loop. You can choose from pre-designed templates. The data surrounded by the curly braces and hash are variables which can be assigned while sending the SMS. Only active templates are available on send SMS screen. Now you can see the URL and the OTP. This will be these variables will be replaced to URL and the corresponding OTP while sending the SMS. This I think this SMS is for issue application. There are several SMS templates defined here. This SMS is regarding fee payments. In here, we can see the amount in curly braces. Then the amount for the particular students will be populated here, and next full name, student name, class name, section name, and the due amount also. Next one is study aid. Study master data is stored in different masters, which are study aid group. This masters store the group name like stationery, uniform, etc. Next one is study aid items. This must store data about the item Item name, gender, house, cost, etc. The gender and house will be the criteria for issuing the study aid to student. There may be, for example, there may be separate uniform for different houses, and there may be separate uniform for gender, males and females. That's why we indicates gender and house here. Next one is study aid course items. This screen is used to allocate the item to each courses, and we need to provide planned quantity. There is some other options in the screen like copy to session, copy to course, etc. The copy to course feature will copy the current screen's data to another course that can be selected by the user. Here we can select another course to be copied. Next one is copy to session. This command will copy all studied items in each course to the selected session corresponding to courses. Okay, that's in study masters. Next one is asset images. The asset image screen is used to upload the images that are used in the background of the ID card. The name of the images should be ID card and ID card back. Next one is exam type master. It is a single line master. The last master in basic configuration is exam subject. This screen is used to set the subjects for courses that to be added in the hall ticket. Okay, now let's look at the academic configurations. There are several masters related to the academics. First one is course. The course will save the courses which are included in the school, including course level, order, etc. Next one is course section. The course section contains the sections in each courses and the maximum number of students that can be included in that section. Here, in the LKG section, there is three section, and in each section can include 40 students. So in LKG, the total number of students will be 120. Next one is course subject. This this screen is used to save the subjects included in a specific course. Next one is session master. This screen will store the academic session, and this screen is also used to upload the principal's signature that to be printed in hall ticket, application form, etc. The last master in academic configuration is house. The screen determines the houses in each session. The house will be automatically selected from previous session to current session unless any modifications are made. If any modifications are needed in house, the user need to set all houses in the new session. The last master section is cashier configuration, which includes payments and fee related masters. The first one is fee type. This screen is used to save the fee types used in this code. There are some configurations like optional course acceptance, etc. If course is Y, then the fee type is allocated to each courses. If is Y, then it indicates the fee is acceptance fee. Next one is payment method. This is to store the different ways of payments. We integrated two payment gateways for online payments, which are PayU and FreeCharge. The last master in cashier configuration is fee setup. This screen is used to allocate fees. We can add fees for each courses as well as commonly for all courses. Now, the courses course fee and application form fee is commonly allocated, which is reflected in all screens. And there are course-wise fees also. Here, user need to indicate the charge of the fee. These are the configuration or master screens used in Scholar management system.